Hi guys. Notice anything? Yes, I'm at home. Anything else? Look at these grays. So many grays. Okay, I'll be honest. For a second I thought, okay, Grace, I'm ready to see you. I can handle this. But I'm not ready. I am not ready for this much gray. This is happening today. Boom! I've never been this gray in my life. I don't think there's ever gonna be a better before and after. Okay, time to color. I go from back to front, massage it in. Just put it where it's needed. Mine is everywhere. Color's done. It's time to condition. This is my favorite part. I love the smell of this conditioner. I'm not the best blow dryer. I look like Beyonce, but I think I did a pretty good job. Whew. No more gray! No more grays! Oh my God, I'm so happy. Me? Grays? No. There's no place like home. Plus, it's always nice to take a little me time. Self-care is self-worth because now more than ever, we're all worth it.